With the onset of the Industrial Revolution, handmade textiles gave way to fabrics, now made on power looms. This new wave of change heralded an emerging opportunity in India, and in 1980, a non-profit organization came into existence to serve the textile industry and enchant the world. India International Textile Machinery Exhibition Society is an idea born out of necessity.
India ITME 2022 prestigious most awaited mega technology and engineering B2B exhibition for textiles is hosted every once in 4 years in India to cater to the machinery and technology requirements of textile industry of India, neighboring Southeast Asia and Middle East industries. 11th edition of India ITME 2022 will held from 8 to 13 December 2022, first mega event post-pandemic. The highly anticipated event is India ITME 2022 is being held for the first time in Northern India at world-class venue IEML Greater Noida, a well-designed exhibition venue in the National Capital Region and one of the largest in India spread across 235,000 square meters area.
For this collaboration that we are going to do in December's show, this definitely is going to be a landmark thing in this sector, because this is something that we're going to do for the first time. The ITME as an exhibition is something everybody knows about. It's a very big exhibition, and this biosimilar meat concept that is being introduced here now with the help of EEPC is something which will definitely help the show grow, because we are going to be inviting foreign buyers who will be coming under the banner of EEPC ITME together in the biosimilar meat. Basically, since ITME is concerned about textile machinery, I'll just read out a few points about textile machinery that we have ready with us. This has been a very promising area for the Indian industry. That's a very general way of putting it. Going into detail, what we can see is that the manufacturing sector, which is so important for our country's growth, is immensely helped by this textile machinery sector.
Asia's largest textile engineering and technology event, hosted once every 4 years in India. It is my pleasure to extend a warm welcome once again to all invited media personnel and all our guests. With just 2 weeks to the event opening, India ITME Society and the industry has awaited with abated breath and great anticipation this event after 6 long years of waiting. This event traditionally was held in Mumbai for the last 43 years, with the exception of one outing to Bangalore. And for the first time, it is being held in North India, in the National Capital Region of our country, and in IEML, at a state-of-the-art exhibition venue in our
awaited mega technology and engineering B2B exhibition for textiles, which is hosted once every 4 years here in India to cater to the machinery and technology requirements of the textile industry, both in India and the neighboring countries in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, etc. This happens to be the 11th edition of India ITME 2022, being held at the IEML facility in Noida from the 8th to the 13th December. This happens to be the first major event post the pandemic. We were originally meant to host the event in 2020, but as you know, due to the pandemic, things have been shifted by a couple of years, but we're very glad that we're going through with it with eager anticipation. We have the opportunity to connect in person with suppliers and to explore competitive sourcing to meet the surging export demand as well as domestic demand, especially for fields such as technical textiles and non-woven products. India ITME 2022 is expected to be a spectacular event showcasing high-tech textile machinery, innovative technologies and services for textile industry, and is the gateway event to the huge market opportunity which is presented both in India and overseas around the world.
जून से लेके हमने पूरे साउथ इंडिया वेस्टर्न इंडिया में हमने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस कई जो टेक्सटाइल हब्स होते हैं ना, यहाँ पे जैसे कोयम्बतूर हुआ, बनारस हुआ, वैसे जो जगह होती है जहाँ पे टेक्सटाइल्स बनते हैं, ये सब जगह पे हम लोगों ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस किए हैं। बिसाइड्स जो है सोशल मीडिया और डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म में हमारी रोज आना जो है ये प्रचार होता है। मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक स्मॉल इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करना चाहूँगी। जैसे मैडम का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था, उसके बाद आपने जनाब ने सवाल किया अहमियत क्या है या क्या मायने रखता है हमारे लिए। और हम सब भारतीय, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम ऑर्गेनाइजर और आप प्रेस मीडिया के लोग हैं, तो ये एक मिनट को आप लोग सोचिए, हमारा देश और इसका जो आबादी है भूगोल में दूसरा है चाइना के बाद। रोटी कपड़ा मकान जो है हमारा बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट, भूख के बाद कपड़ा तो सबको लगता है। अगर हम सिर्फ सोचें कि सिर्फ हमारे देश में ही बहुत ज़्यादा इसकी अहमियत है, क्योंकि सबको कपड़े तो पहनने ही हैं। दूसरा, आप ये इंफॉर्मेशन रखिए कि एग्रीकल्चर के बाद, कृषि उद्योग के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा अगर नौकरी एम्प्लॉयमेंट कोई इंडस्ट्री अगर अपने देश में, क्योंकि हमारी आबादी ज़्यादा है, हमें नौकरी की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, वो अगर करता है तो वो टेक्सटाइल।
As you are aware that India Expo Center and Mart, where the exhibition is going to happen, is a national award-winning venue from the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. And besides this event, we are also hosting most of the largest events in India, and the entire engineering and logistic and all other arrangements are in place for making the exhibition a huge success in terms of its huge engineering requirements, the load-bearing capacities, and the exhibitors' specific requirements for the event.